Hi everyone, this is Prashant Chaudhary. I welcome you all to my channel Classy Power App. In this video, we will see different ways how you can create an app from an existing app. Why do you need this? You can consider a case where you need to start with your development work and you didn't get the access into your client environment or maybe client tenant. So what you'll do, you start your development work inside your tenant and your environment so that once you get all the accesses, you would simply move all your customizations to your client environment. So here I'm talking specifically for the Power App, not for the whole solution. So for the simplicity, I have created a very basic app for you. Here you can see I have created an app whose name is Sample App, and I have just added an image and some components, either it's a rectangle or some image or some labels. My aim is to create three apps from the same app using three different approaches. So how I'll do that? I'll just go to my Power Apps, make.powerapps.com, and I'll just click on this app. My app name is, let's say my app name is Sample App. So I'll just click on this Sample App, click on this three dot, and here I can see it can export a package. The moment I click on this export package, it gives me an window through which I can just write some details like approach one. I just want this to be imported as a new app and then export. It will prepare a package for this particular app and then it will download a file to my system. So this particular process would take around some seconds, maybe. Okay, now it has downloaded a file to my system, and this is my approach one. Okay, now how can use that file? I just go to my apps, and then I have an option through which I can click on this import app, import from package. So here it is asking specifically to attach a zip file. Click on this one, upload a file, and I'll just down attach my file which I just downloaded, which you can see as approach one, and some numbers are there. Maybe it's a time span and it's a zip file. I just click on this, open. The moment I attach my file and click on this upload, it analyzes what type of zip file it is, and then accordingly it will ask for some details. Like in my app, I haven't added any data sources. That's the reason it won't ask any connections. So here you can see I have just an app and there is no related resource attached inside this app because there is no data source, there is no connections at all. So I click on this and here I can click on this action and then give my app a name. So I would say sample app approach one. Click on this save and then I click on this import. Now it will import that app into my environment. Now I will go to the second approach. Second approach is using this MSAPP file. If you are familiar with this, MSAPP file is the local version of your Power App that you download to your system. How you can get that? In this particular version, we have this option that sits somewhere close to this save icon. We have a drop down. You just click on this and then you have an option to download a copy. You click on this, your file is ready. You just click on this download and it has downloaded something to my system. If I hover on this, I can see it has downloaded a sample app.msapp file. I also have one more sample app which I downloaded 30 minutes back, which I did just for the testing purpose. So here I have a sample app. Now I'll just go back to the mix.powerapp.com and the environment where you would like to import. So in this environment, I like to import this MSAPP file as well. So how you can get that? You just go to the app, and the moment the way we attach our zip file, here we have option to attach or create an app from a ms app file as well. We click on this and attach our ms app file. Click on this open. If I check for my previous one which I imported from a zip file, my app is ready. Okay, I'm not opening that for now. I'm just going back to my apps, and then I'll just try to see if I have my app ready here or not. If I search for sample app approach, okay, I guess it would take some time maybe in order to reflect in this particular grid. In the meantime, I just go what here in this tab I attached my ms app file. Okay, now I need to save this. How I can do that? I just go, I can directly click on this control s as well, and then it would ask me to give a app name, so I would say sample app approach 2. I click on this save. Again, that would little take little time in order to reflect the change onto the cloud. Okay, in the meantime, okay, so the second one is ready now. I can see my app name is sample app 2. If I go to my screen, let me see if I can see it inside this grid or not. Okay, so I have sample app approach 2, sample app approach 1. Now we'll see how we can proceed with the third one. The third one is like we simply click on this, the new app, start with the page design, and I'll just use a blank template for now. In this approach, what I'll do, I simply do the copying of all the components with all the formulas from one screen, from one app, and paste it to my another screen and to my another app. I'll just go to my app. I click on this control A in order to select everything, control C just to copy everything, and then I'll go to my blank app and press control V in order to paste everything. Your control V or maybe this pasting sometimes would not work, but don't get worried. You can directly do it again. Control C, come back here, control V. Okay, so this time it has pasted, and here you can see, although I pasted, I got some contents, but I didn't get this image which is light at the back. So why is that? Because this particular app has a media. I have attached a media in this one, which is not there in my another one. So what I'll do, I simply get this media. Where from I got this? Either it is stored inside your local system, or if you can get it from the stock images, if you attach it from the stock images in your existing app. Then I just go back, select my image, open it. So here you can see this is my third app. Click on this control S and then give an app name, sample app approach 3. And in this one you can see there is a disturbance in the positioning of the components that you can fix. Okay, but the thing is, whatever formulas you have written, whatever components you have added, all would be copied easily. It's just a matter of positioning, so you can just drag it and place it at the place where you would like to place it. Okay, so that's how you can create an app from an existing app from three different approaches. In future we might have more ways, but for now we have three. Okay, I hope I find these three as very helpful, and it reduce our development time. Okay, so thank you for watching this video everyone. Have a nice day.